We are CGS Consultancy, and our task was to design an information system for use by an Amazon delivery business. The information system would allow the manager to process delivery requests from Amazon and transform them into delivery routes. These delivery routes would then be executed by drivers who would send packages to consumers. We started the process by attempting to create a DFD, which turned out to be a flowchart. We were conceptually wrong as we did not understand that the DFD modeled information flow, and thus there was no element of time. Learning from our mistake, we began by creating a level 0 diagram that serves to conceptualize the system and understand the involved external entities to make it work. From this, we developed a level 1 diagram to show all the processes involved in the delivery business. At first, we involved all the external entities in the level 1 diagram, using it to show key information flows that allowed both the MIS and TPS to function. We refined it so that it showed the relationship between the TPS and the MIS, showing the transfer of information between the two systems, as well as information that was handled individually for the two target users. We then created a level 2 MIS to show the flow of information required for the manager to carry out his task, examining requirements such as creating delivery routes for driver, creating a dashboard for review, and handling pay administration. The level 2 TPS was created by examining the flow of information necessary for the driver to complete his job. These were requirements such as making sure the driver knows where to go, collected the correct packages for delivery, and could verify that the packages had been delivered successfully.
Following that, we decided to focus on our stakeholders. So we first developed a table showing who our stakeholders are, their concerns to their business, the amount of influence they have on our business, as well as additional remarks we felt were relevant to the business. Using this information, we created a power influence matrix to show how important its stakeholder is to the business. This allowed us to understand the requirements and make any changes, if necessary, to the information system we are trying to design. After logging in, the driver will be presented with the My Route and My Packages option. After he presses My Package, he will be shown the warehouse he has to go to, the van he has to take, the sector in which he has to take the packages from, and he will be able to scan all his packages. When he finishes the scanning, he will proceed to My Route, where he will be shown his route. After reaching a certain destination, he will be able to press the button, and then he will be able to scan the package. If the customer did not reach after 5 minutes, he will be able to press this button in order to inform the system that the package was not delivered. If the customer has given specific instructions about where he wants his package to be delivered, the driver could deliver the package and press process completed and back to GPS. When he delivers his final package, the driver will be shown where to take the packages that he hasn't delivered, and when he does that, he will be shown with his daily report.
To create the BPNN, we examined our application and the process of the delivery package. We imagined going through the entire delivery process and how each entity was involved. These entities would become the pods in the BPNN. We then imagined going through the entire process of delivering packages, creating processes inside the pods that we felt were important to complete a delivery route. Once we had completed modeling the ideal situation for a delivery route to be successfully completed, we imagined going through the entire process, identifying stages in the process where things could go wrong. And when we identified stages in the process where things could go wrong, such as when the driver goes to collect the packages from the warehouse, we added additional processes to reflect what would happen in such a case, making sure to examine its impacts on other entities such as the manager and the entire business process. And we further expanded upon the BPNN by integrating a data store and linking processes that created important pieces of information such as the creation of delivery routes and the final delivery status of packages. And we repeatedly examined our BPNN, refining and adding new processes such as the message to the customer to verify that the package has been delivered, as we imagined going through the different stages of delivering packages from the standpoint of the different entities.